CQ? CQ, this is Golden Ear calling CQ. Standing by.
I hear you. You want...
Do I want what?
Oh, super punching!
Ah, you scared the fire out of me.
Yeah, you left the lights on last night. You left the lights on again.
I know.
So what's the plan?
Oh, I'd love to figure out how to navigate this place without cracking my shins open.
I mean for work, Nimrod.
Still figuring this shit out.
Look, I'm not gonna let you play woe with me, okay? You're just gonna end up like Mom.
Unbelievable.
You know, it amazes how someone so skilled at listening can never hear a damn thing I'm saying.
I'm the only one who does. Hello? Hello, is anyone there? Please, clear the chatter, little one. This is not a toy. Hello, are you hurt? Is everything all right? Where are you? Do you copy, little one? Do you copy? Do you copy? Hello, please answer. Do you copy? No, listen, I used to work sonar on the nuclear sub, okay? That is not what this is. Okay. Yes, I will call you if I have any more information. Thank you. Thank you, I will call you.
What happened?
I picked up some weird sounds on the thing today. Some music box, some kids screaming. Someone was getting whipped, a little boy, a little girl, I'm not sure. Too young to tell.
Jesus, you're shitting me. Wow. So who are you talking to?
The detective. There wasn't much to go on, but figured why not. Right?
Yeah. Maybe you'll hear more later.
Mm-hmm. Oh, quick favor before you go.
Oh, yeah.
I need the audio splitter. I want to record it if I hear it again.
Sorry about it.
Same. Later, Tater.
Later. Dude, have you been there all fucking day?
Mm-hmm.
Anything?
Nope.
Why did Mommy hurt me?
I'm here. I'm here. Are you all right? Are you hurt?
Stop
Where are you?
Red light keep blinking. So cold.
Turn them out.
Hello? Hello, are you there?
Did you get it?
Ow! Ow! It's impossible.
Ellie, you need to sleep, okay?
I can't sleep. There's a kid in danger. For God's sakes,
I don't have to work tomorrow, and I'll stay up all night if I have to, okay? I promise. Just, let's go to bed. Come on. Come on, let's go. Okay. She's been at it for 5 days now. Hardly sleeps. She said she recorded stuff earlier, but as usual, nothing's ever there. She's a fucking wreck, Doc. I have no idea what I'm doing.
Good morning, Ellie.
Morning, Doc.
Will you sit with me?
Is this an official session?
Doesn't need to be.
I'll go make some coffee.
And I heard it. It's clear as day, every single time.
Ellie, have you heard of auditory pareidolia?
That ain't it, Doc.
Well, it's not your hearing. It's your incredible brain matching patterns with ambiguous stimuli. That's all it is. I promise you.
They don't call me the golden ear for nothing.
Look, you've had a huge trauma. And self-care is really important. You need to rest and you need to heal. You need the time.
I'm not making this up.
Then why has nothing been recorded?
We're done here. Goodbye, Dr. Bingham. Fair winds and following seas. Rest in peace. Motherfucker! Alexa! I need you to order something for me! need your help, Frank!
I'll get it. I'll get it.
Give me the radio.
You bought another one.
Where? Give me my radio.
No, Ellie, are you listening? Ellie, 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 you need to stop. It's been a fucking week. I've been tolerating this nearly a fucking week, and you're becoming closer to Mom than you ever thought before. Ellie, please.
Be quiet!
Ellie, just please. Oh. Way to go, asshole.
Turn the lights out.
Ellie, you need
Turn off
to
the lights. Turn the fucking lights on!
I did, you fucking don't.
What do you see?
Houses, city, mountains.
What about the old AM tower, fucktard?
What about
You pointed straight at it, aren't I?
The investigation into the 1993 disappearance of 8-year-old Catherine Callahan has reached a shocking conclusion.
3 decades of no
Investigators
leads.
believe the murder was blind on a missing child case from 1993 in the case of 8-year-old
Tower hasn't blinked since they found her.
who can finally rest. Her remains were discovered beneath the floor of an old AM radio tower. How many times
Well,
have I driven by that old
okay.
thing? Authorities say the body was
I'm gonna
found
go head to
after
bed.
a
It's getting
local
late.
resident who wishes to remain
Try not to stay up late, okay?
claimed to have received a transmission on her ham
Not a
radio.
chance.
A transmission, she now believes, that should have never
Good night.
existed. An investigation is underway, though amateur sleuths and social media influencers are already connecting this mysterious signal to the child's mother, a former DJ at the tower before its closing in 1992. As a reminder to the community, the tower is not open to the public, and entry is considered unlawful. Next, grocery prices.